What's up, Familysteaders? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're going to show you how to get organic food for your garden. And guess what? The best part about this food is free. So if you're wondering, what's free organic food for the garden? Right there. And there's tons of it all over the ground. So if you have trees in your backyard, you won't even have to do what we have to do. You can just easily go to your backyard and rake up the leaves. But if you don't have trees, you can easily just do the same thing we're doing. You can find leaves everywhere. There's no excuses. Like right now, I don't know where I'm at, but I would have just went to the next door neighbor, but you know, we don't have any, our neighborhood is new. So yeah, check it out. Leaves. Free organic food for your garden, everywhere. Tons of it. Even got some pine straw mixed in. To collect our organic food for our garden, we got a blower in the bag, but all you need is a rake in the bag, or all you need is your hands. You can just pick up a pile of leaves. So what I'm finna do now is blow these leaves in the pile, put them in the bag, and bring them back to our house. So now that we got our free organic food in the pile, all we have to do now is bag it up and bring it back to the house.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
And if you guys wondering where I'm at, I don't even know. I don't even know where I'm at. In the middle of nowhere. In the jungle. Oh, a little snake. It's a little snake though. Little garter snake. Alright guys, that should be enough. If we have to get any more, we'll just come back. So what we're going to do now is dig a trench in the middle of our garden row, then we're going to add our leaves. That way it can help our clay soil break down, and we can also add free food to our garden row. And we're gonna also add kitchen scrap compost directly to our garden rows. We're just gonna dig a hole and bury it right underneath, just like we did the leaves. And it's that simple, guys. Free organic food for your garden.
Zane, are you all done?